Hello, welcome back to Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. Today we are doing a very healthy, delicious cake. Okay, it's this Italian walnut cake. Guys, there's no flour, and walnut has got really high antioxidants and also high omega-3. Very healthy. So come along with me and let's do this. So to start, just look at my walnuts, okay, guys. This is so healthy and it's so easy, very easy recipe. I put them in my food processor, okay. I'm just going to bless it for a little bit, okay. This is how I like it. Just look at that. It's nicely smooth and it's all done nicely. So I am going to use it as flour. I'm not using flour. So I have my egg yolks, just 2 egg yolks, and I'm going to mix it with my maple syrup. I'm not adding any sugar, guys. This is maple syrup. Yes, I told you it's a healthy recipe and it's so good. All right, I'm adding some orange rind. Okay, you can add lemon if you like, but orange rind works with this. And also I'm adding some vanilla extract. Very easy recipe. I tell you, you will love it. Okay, let's add our walnuts. Just look at that. Yes, and just add it bit by bit and make sure you fold it in quite nicely. Yeah, as I told you already, you are going to love this. Walnut is really a super nut, so go and read about it. I'm telling you, you are going to love it, and you do this more often because it's so delicious, guys, and it's so healthy. Okay, so as I mix it nicely, as you can see here, and I'm going to set that one aside. So guys, the next bit is to use the whites of the egg. Okay, so as you can see, I'm placing it quite nicely so that you get that stiff peaks. Okay, so just follow along. So guys, as you can see, it's all done. I'm folding that one in onto my first mixture. So just follow along. It's quite, I told you, it's very easy recipe. Okay, so just look at what I'm doing and let's follow along. I'll put all the ingredients down in the description box for you. Right, so come along with me. So as you can see here, my cake batter is ready. I'm going to put them into the molds I'm using. This, yeah, they are flat molds, yeah, because this is how you do it. It makes it so delicious. So I'm going to put this into the oven at 180 degrees for about 25 minutes or more, okay, until it's golden brown, I tell you, and then it's yummy. Oh my goodness, you are going to love this. I can't say it enough, guys. But try this recipe and you will love it. And because it's healthy, you are going to do it more often. It's so good. So into the oven it goes for 25 minutes or more until it's nice and golden. Guys, it's out of the oven and cooled. Just look at this. It smells amazing and it's so good. It's so good. So guys, yes, my kids love a bit of it with sugar on top of it. We can eat it like that without sugar. Okay, so I'm just putting a little bit of powdered sugar, yeah, for a more then why. Oh my, it's amazing, guys. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you will be notified. Thanks for watching. Bye.